Hello, it's John with New York Metro Weather. We are back with more weather information. Very quiet out there over the last couple of days. We've taken some time away from the video screen, which has been great for us. But we're back with an update on the pattern over the next couple of days, kind of breaking down what we're expecting. And the pattern really looks to remain quiet. Here's where we are as of this afternoon, and there's not too much going on this map. That's a good thing. As we move forward over the next couple of days, still not too much going on. It remains pretty quiet. We'll watch for a couple of showers later in the week, and then we'll keep an eye on some more interesting stuff could impact our area from the late weekend and early next week. Let's check out the temperatures though, because it's been nicer out today. I think everyone has noticed that. Here's where we are as of this afternoon. We'll drop down again tonight. It's going to be pretty chilly. These are the real field temperatures, so not necessarily what the actual thermometer shows, but what it feels like. And you can see it's back down into the teens tonight into Wednesday morning. But by Wednesday afternoon, we're back into the upper 30s and lower 40s, which is going to feel warm compared to where we've been over the last couple of weeks. Wednesday night, back down into the 20s, still a little warmer, feeling a little warmer than even it will on Tuesday night. And then by Thursday afternoon, it's going to be feeling like the 40s throughout the New York City metro area as that comes warmth kind of builds. It'll be doing much of the same on Friday. We're back up into the 30s and 40s, feeling like a decently warm day. Then we get this front that comes through Saturday. So you see Saturday might feel like the 40s and maybe even 50 in New York, but watch this front that comes surging through Saturday night into Sunday, and next thing you know, we are back into this wintry air mass. Here's what's going on a national scale that's causing that. So we have this pattern where we're kind of caught in between right now. That's not the worst thing. High pressure is built in, and we don't really have a source that's driving that cold air down into the New York City metro area as of now. So we're kind of in between, caught in between cold and warmth. It's not really very warm. It's not really very cold. This first low pressure slides through southeast Canada Wednesday night into Thursday morning, so could see a couple of rain or snow showers as that slides through. But by Thursday into Friday, we improve again, so temperatures kind of remain near seasonable levels. This is the bigger front, and you can see it kind of moves through here Friday night into Saturday. So right ahead of that on Saturday, it actually is going to get decently warm late Friday into Saturday morning, and then we get the front to slide through Saturday afternoon, and that's when that Arctic air comes crashing down. You can see all this cold air here, this big high pressure over the central US. That's associated with this low pressure, and it's all kind of being dragged down here. So a Saturday looks like a decently warm day for now. If this storm system speeds up a little bit, it'll be cooler, but for now it looks okay. And then this front will slide through at some point this weekend, bringing that very cold air back with it. You'll notice models have a weak low pressure off the coast here Sunday into Monday, and we've heard some talk about the possibility of that storm impacting our area. If we go and look at what's really going on in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we're looking here at the vorticity or the spin in the atmosphere, and this can help us understand where the different disturbances are. And you can see that we have this initial disturbance diving down here across the central US, and then we have another one coming behind it into the plains. Some models are indicating that these two will interact, kind of similar to what we saw a couple weeks ago. And that would help amplify the storm and bring it up the coast. Most models, though, as of this moment, suggest this storm will pass eastward and kind of swing out to sea without much impact in our area. You can kind of see the European model doing just that. The storm kind of slides away, and we don't really see too much impact for weather. However, it won't take much of a change to bring that storm a little closer. So that's kind of the point for now. Keep an eye on it, but it doesn't really look overly threatening at this moment. If we check out the ensembles, the different versions of the European model, you can see there are a couple that have this storm system, a couple are closer to the coast, but really nothing overly eye-catching at this moment. Most guidance is suggesting that this storm will kind of slide eastward and out to sea. We'll keep a very close eye on it, though, during that time frame from late this weekend into early next week. Regardless of what happens with that storm, though, behind it, it looks like at least a couple days of cooler than normal weather come back in, because that storm is associated with that Arctic front. And the development of the storm, even if it's off the coast, it pulls that Arctic air in. And so early next week looks very cold again, even though we've had these nice conditions this week. This cold air is coming back during the early part of next week. So we will keep an eye on that storm for the weekend. Right now, nothing overly threatening, pattern kind of in a transient mode, and we'll keep a close eye and have an update for you as we go through the week. For now, that's all we have. We hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.